Annapolis inventory is rising quickly, and at this rate, we may reach inventory levels not seen since COVID. It's Friday, May 2nd, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. While inventory continues to rise, homes in Annapolis are going under contract in less than a week. Home prices are predicted to rise over the next 5 years as Annapolis is seeing a median sales price of $699,000, with the low end coming in at $235,000 and the high end at $19,995,000. Inventory rose 10% this week to 186 homes for sale in Annapolis. The median sales price for these remains at $699,000 again this week. Another 37 properties are coming soon. 33 homes went under contract in 7 median days. 31 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio in 6 days, with a median sales price of $649,900. There are 26 homes for lease at $3,050 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 2nd, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.